Hello guys, I hope you are doing good and doing great. So in this session we will not talking about any of the technology, but yeah, something related to the things which are very helpful to maintain the health we are going to discuss in this video. So we know that from 1.5 year we are most of the people working from home, and now there is a no difference between the office and the home because everything become the mess up here. So like most of the people, or you can say the 80% of the strength who are working from home, so there is a they will not identifying like they are actually working at home or they are working in the office, because now everything become the equivalent to each other. So in that case we are sitting very long hours onto the single chair. Every food item, every things we are getting onto the tables near to the laptop. So while attending the meeting we are maintaining everything. So it's not a good practice. So like although we know that based on the demand of to the work and all, we need to do this thing, but during the work also we can maintain some of the tips and trick. So today I'm going to discuss this tip and tricks, so that will definitely help each other, or by sharing this such type of or if you have any of the good, comment me out, so it will help the other also, so whoever looking out this video and all. So let's coming on to the topic wise. The first trick here is we are talking about the water bottle. So everyone are surprising like why the water bottle come in here. So I will tell you the reason behind this. The water bottle, if you are keeping on your desk, feel thirsty and all, so you will take the bottle and drink the water. So in that case you will never get the chance to or allow yourself to go out like away from the chair. So in that case you keep your bottle outside your room or the cabin. So if you feel thirsty and all, and you will go there and drink the water. And usually what you can do is after each 30 minutes you can set a timer, and you have to make yourself confident like after 30 minutes I will definitely go for the water, because it will like either you don't have the thirsty and all, but you, if you are going there, so there is a two benefit. The first is you know that like what I need to spend a little bit 1 or 2 minutes outside from this or outside from this cabin or the room, as well as going taking the drink also. It will very healthy for the body because you are sitting very long. Now the second trick here is like after 1 hour you have to make yourself as a confident like after 1 hour I will definitely go for the break. And in this break what you can do, you can go to your family members like your kids, your parents, your wife. So you can give the little bit 5-10 minute there. You can spend some quality time there. So that will also help to reduce some of the pressure onto the body, because sometime when we are implementing some of the things, and while implementing some logic are not coming into the mind, so in that case we are stretch our stress our mind to think about some logic, but in that case we are not getting the result. So for to get the better result you can take this break and discuss or the talk the normal things with your family members, and not related to the work but related to homes. And after 5-10 minutes break you come back and you can see there is so much improvement, not on instant basis, but definitely you will get the third trick here is the exercise. So in this exercise, first stressable area is our eyes, because we are continually looking on to the monitors and we are not looking out the left and right. And similarly the second the most important part is our neck, because we neck is also we are not be moving into the left and right. So so the exercise should be like this and up and down. So it will very helpful for you. So you can start from the beginning is a 10 round for each side, and later you can increase the things. And the other tip is like while attending any of the meeting, we know that the meeting is we are always planning at the 30 minute or 1 hours. We but the end we never said like some of the interesting topics come into the picture while in the discussion. So the discussion can go beyond also. So in that case what you can do is you can listen the things but close your eyes in that case, because you are not showing your video in front of the peoples, but you can close your eyes and listen everything from the ear. So by this you can also make yourself healthy into the one seat only. I hope you like this much of information and try to implement this much information in your life. And if any of the things which you have the better knowledge, or you can share with us, so you can also ping me into the comment box area, so we will try to implement that thing also. Thank you so much, thank you for listening this much, and I hope you this information will help you a lot.